Hello friends, welcome to Nisarga Learning. Here I like to discuss about indoor, house, balcony, corridor, stage plants. Let us start. At first, what is indoor plants? Indoor plant is a plant that is grown indoors in places such as residences and offices. This type of plant can survive dark, shady or semi-shady place and need low light intensity and thrive with minimum air. There are some indoor, house, balcony, corridor plants discussed below. Proton, variegated color, easily propagate by stem cutting. Dracaena cordyline, propagate by stem cutting. Red dracaena, red color, popular indoor plant. Dracaena, it's also propagate by stem cutting. Lucky bamboo, easily propagated plant. ZZ plant, popular plant, can easily survive, propagate by stem leaf cutting. Maranta, remain different types, propagate by rhizome. Black lily, propagate by rhizome, looks very nice. Golden pothos, popular vine type indoor plant, propagate by cutting. It can survive only water. Wandering Jew, variegated color, vine type, propagate by cutting. Mint, edible balcony plants, propagate by cutting. Peace lily, popular indoor plant, propagate by rhizome and division. Aglaonema snow white, easily propagate by stem cutting. Aralia, popular corridor plants, propagate by stem cutting. Thuja, beautiful corridor plant, propagate by layering. Delta maidenhair fern, propagate by rhizome. Tebu China, propagate by seed. Kalanchoe, propagate by stem cutting and leaf cutting. Diabetic leaf, propagate by stem cutting. Lemongrass, propagate by rhizome. Bougainvillea, propagate by cutting and layering. Arica palm, very nice corridor plant, propagate by seed and sucker. Cape jasmine, propagate by layering. Purple heart, propagate by stem cutting. Arrowhead, very nice to look at. Another name, Christmas tree. Pencil cactus, xerophytic plant, propagate by cutting. Rain lily, propagate by bulb. Asparagus fern, propagate by rhizome. Portulaca, flowers are of various color, propagate by cutting. Red palm, propagate by seed and sucker. Banyan tree, propagate by cutting. Use as bonsai. Schefflera, it is propagate by stem cutting. Another name, umbrella plant. Rose, thousands of types and varieties remain, propagate by cutting, layering, budding and grafting. Juniper, propagate by layering and seed. Jade plant, propagate by stem cutting. Snake plant, it is can easily propagate by leaf cutting and division. Pine, propagate by seed. It is also used as bonsai. Boston plant, propagate by rhizome. Dwarf family, it is also propagate by cutting and layering. Miniature togger, propagate by cutting. Popular corridor plant. Aglaonema, propagate by stem cutting. Golden Aralia, propagate by cutting. Calathea, propagate by stem cutting. Devil's backbone, propagate by stem cutting. Dwarf bottle brush, propagate by layering. Janadu, propagate by division. Indian medlar, propagate by seed and layering. China box, propagate by layering. Adenium, propagate by cutting and seed. Blue daisy, propagate by seed and cutting. Single egg jora, propagate by cutting and layering. Vinca, propagate by seed. Peepul, propagate by stem cutting. It is used as bonsai. Croton, propagate by stem cutting. Yucca, propagate by stem cutting. Ficus benjamina, propagated by stem cutting, used as bonsai. Morning glory, propagate by vine cutting. Rubber plant, propagate by stem cutting. Spider plant, propagate by rhizome. Aster, propagate by seed. It is a winter season flower. Coleus, propagate by stem cutting. Gardenia, propagate by layering. Ladypalm, propagate by seed and sucker. Creeping fig, propagate by stem cutting. Irish lily, propagate by rhizome and division. Dwarf bamboo, propagate by stem cutting. Fan palm, propagate by seed and sucker. Toddy palm, propagate by seed and sucker. Calathea, propagate by rhizome. Euphorbia, variegated color, propagate by stem cutting. Nolina palm, propagate by seed sucker. Philodendron, propagate by stem cutting. Chinese money plant, propagate by rhizome. Bromeliad, propagate by sucker stem cutting. Calathea triostar, propagate by rhizome. Aloe vera, propagate by rhizome division. Philodendron, propagate by division. Boat lily, propagate by division and rhizome. Mexican mint, edible balcony plant, propagate by cutting. Orchid, thousands of varieties remain, propagate by division, cutting. Coral vine, it is propagate by vine cutting. Black flamingo, propagate by rhizome. Dwarf date palm, propagate by seed sucker. Ficus starlight, propagate by stem cutting. Syzygium, propagate by stem cutting and layering. Fishtail palm, propagate by seed and sucker. Prickly pear cactus, propagate by division cutting. Milk cactus, propagate by cutting division. Celosia, propagate by seed. Canna, propagate by rhizome division. Petunia, propagate by seed. Arrowhead vine, propagate by cutting. Aglaonema, propagate by stem cutting. Purslane, propagate by stem cutting. Cardboard palm, propagate by sucker. Jamia pumila, propagate by sucker. Camodoria palm, propagate by seed and sucker. Holy basil, balcony plant, propagate by division. Butterfly pea, propagate by seed. Hiptaes, propagate by cutting. Torrenia, propagate by seed. Spider lily, propagate by rhizome and division. Chrysanthemum, propagate by sucker and cutting. Ribbon grass, propagate by rhizome and division. Blackberry lily, it is propagate by rhizome and division. Dwarf tamarind, propagate by cutting. Cypress vine, propagate by seed. Mexican petunia, propagate by rhizome and seed. Lady of the night, propagate by stem cutting. Snow bush plant, propagate by cutting. Euphorbia milli, propagate by stem cutting. Panica, propagate by cutting. Railway vine, propagate by vine cutting. Nag champa, propagate by cutting. Dinner plate Aralia, propagate by cutting. Keep watching Nisarga Learning channel. Keep it, like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks.